Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video what I have right over here is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and right over here I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, as you can see. So what I'm going to do in this video is, let me log in with my fingerprint. So what I'm going to do in this video is, I am going to connect the Galaxy Buds Plus to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip for the first time to show you guys the overall setup process and also the software side of the Galaxy Buds Plus enhancements. Alright, so I'm going to grab the Buds right now. I'm going to open up the box, put it right over here. Let's see what happens on this phone here. It should send a request to this phone to connect the Galaxy Buds Plus for the first time. I'm going to tap on connect. It's a new animation, so it looks a little bit better. So I'm going to tap on connect. Let's see what happens. It launches the Galaxy wearable app and does the setup process. Alright, and then it's installing everything that is necessary to get this all set up and running. We do want to allow all these features over here so they can fully function. Click on agree, click on next. It does give you a quick tutorial. It's talking about the ambient sound, and also it is talking about the fact that you can start Spotify music service by tapping on the buds. So let's tap on got it. All right, let's go right inside. It says you're all set. Now we're connected to the Galaxy wearable apps. Now one more thing, let me just exit the application. When I close this, all right, and when I open it up one more time, you'll notice that there's going to be a brand new animation that shows you the battery levels of the left, the right bud, and also the case, all right? So that's new. It's nice and detailed. That's pretty cool. Now let's go back in the wearable apps. I'm going to go to the Galaxy wearable apps. It does give you a couple tips in the beginning, okay? It is asking you to clean your earbuds regularly. I'm going to tap on OK. And also it says make sure you have a tight seal in your earbuds for maximum performance, both for the mic and the sound. I'm going to tap on OK on that as well. So again, with the application, as you can see, on the top, we have the charge level of the right bud, the right and left, and also the charge level of the actual case right here. And then we have that ambient sound option that you're not going to find on the old Galaxy Buds software interface, or even it's not even a feature on the old Galaxy Buds. You can also change it to low, medium, and high. And basically what's going to happen is, when you have this at low, you are going to be able to hear voices from the outside. But if they're not clear enough, you can go into your app and go to medium or high to get better sound from the outside, even as you're listening to the music on your phone. Then at the bottom, we have the equalizer, which is right over here. As you can see, we have the normal, we have the bass boost, we have the soft, we have dynamic, clear, and treble boost. So now we have 6 options instead of 5 options. And if I scroll down, again, there's a couple new things happening right over here. We have the notifications, which is something you know exactly what it is. You manage your notifications from here. But we go to the touchpad, and from here, you can basically tell the buds to do something when you tap on the left or the right bud. So if I were to go to left, I can pick from ambient sound. So when I tap on the left side, it is going to enable or disable or cycle through the settings of the ambient sound, which is right over here. Okay, so you can make it simple at one tap. Now when I go back in here, you can also tap on the right side, and for example, you can, when you tap on the right side, it brings up your Spotify music application. I'm sorry, this is actually touch and hold. So when you touch and hold, it cycles through the ambient sound. When you touch and hold, it can actually open up the Spotify app. But when you tap it like this, it plays or pauses the track. All right, when you double tap it, you can go to the next track or answer or and call. And then we have the previous track, triple tap. And then we have the touch and hold, which you can change right here. Now let's go back and look at the advanced. These are some new features. Right now we only have 1. So you are allowed to use the ambient sound mode during calls. So basically, if somebody calls you and you still want to hear what's happening around you, okay, you enable this. So even as you're talking to somebody, you can still be aware of the sounds in your surroundings. Some people might like this option, all right? But if you want to be immersed in your call, then you want to disable this so you don't hear what's happening on the outside. And then you have the Find My Earbuds option that allows you to find them if you lose them, if you misplace them. And then we have the general option. Okay, now this is just to reset the buds. And just so you know, the advanced is new. Okay, and then we also have at the bottom, we've got the labs option. Now this is just software update for the buds. You tap on download install. If there's any updates, it's going to download that. It's going to update your buds, no problem. So right now we're up to date. And then we have the tips and user manual right here, quick tutorial, and tap on this. It'll take you to the online user manual. And then of course over here under labs, we have 3 brand new options. You can double tap the edge of the actual earbud to perform these functions. Lower the volume or increase the volume. You can enable this and go inside and you can see it gives you a tutorial. All right. And on top of that, you can also allow to use extra high ambient volume, which I don't recommend. I tried it. It's just too messed up. I would just stick with the regular ambient modes right over here. But if this is not working for you, the high, you can go to the labs and you can go for the extra high ambient volume. And then finally, if you're gaming, you can enable this to utilize the game mode. It makes sure there's no audio delay while you're gaming, all right, which is something very important. Your audio and your gaming input is fully synchronized, all right? So that's basically all the software features of the Galaxy Buds Plus. I'll be making a video very soon showcasing the difference between the Galaxy Buds Plus and the old Galaxy Buds. So stay tuned for that. In this video, I just want to show it to you guys how it looks on a different phone on the Galaxy Z Flip. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. See you in the next video. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.